It was a roller coaster ride. It was going up and down.
We always knew that we always have this knack of coming back and pulling things together.
We always know the team that loses their patience first are the ones that lose in such big matches. So we're just trying to keep that in mind. If we show unnecessary aggression, people could panic and then the execution becomes difficult.
I have to give a lot of credit to the bowling unit especially, because it was not a big total. It was about 148 or 49 and we defended that on a very good surface against a quality batting lineup. We got to give credit to the bowling unit. I have to mention Pollard here because that knock of 48 odd from him as well was very crucial.
No one was expecting at that point of time that Mahendra Singh Dhoni will get run out. And it was just that my sixth sense said that he is going to go for a second run. So I just went in the 30-yard circle and I don't know how I just got that done.
At the spur of the moment, he thought that he missed the ball, but it's okay because at that moment there was one more over, the game was still on. So if you show aggression, you show that you're not happy, you are down. So then the keeper is already in pressure. Already he's not happy that he's made a mistake. So, but this is the place where teammates chip in and the culture of the team comes in, that you help each other out. We know that the game is still on. He could still play a role. And he did. He did an important run out that played a major role. He got Shane Watson out. So this is what we wanted to do. It's nothing to show the people that this and that. It's our team culture that we take all the players together. We help each other when somebody needs help.